Got the Dewalt Black Friday holiday season for the lows. This is a buy one get one free deal. Advice to you: shop early because these will sell out. At least the better tools will. All right, let's also don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, following us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest glitches, Black Friday deals, holiday deals. As soon as they drop, I do post, and sometimes they do sell out. You don't want to miss on those. I will leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video and down on the left hand corner section of the screen for this affiliate link for this product at no additional cost to you. So you guys are able to click on it and use it. It does help the channel out. So even if you guys don't buy anything, you guys can still click on it. All right, let's go ahead and start. We got the Dewalt XR Power Pack or Powerstack, not the Power Packs, Powerstack. XR Powerstack 20 volt lithium battery charger, 1.7 amp hour. Now this is going to be the new battery. It is the newer battery, not the newer battery. It is going to be a small, compact. This is meant to be used with drills and impact drivers and just smaller lights, smaller tools, maybe ratchets and stuff like that. That's an excellent battery for that. For the bigger tools, you do need a bigger battery. I mean, you can still use this. It's plenty of power because it is the brand new stacked lithium. But all right, so let's go ahead and start. So $179 is the kit that you have to buy to get this deal. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. You choose your gift. All right, on the first one, we do have a 6.5 cordless circular saw. Next one down, you got a 4.5 20 volts max trigger angle grinder. Now this one's not brushless. I don't know if this one actually is. It does not say. So this is going to be the 200 lumen LED battery operated light. Of course, this one's brushless, right? You got the 20 volt 2 gallon or 2 horsepower vacuum. You got the fan. This is a great hack for, or not the hack, but you know, this is a great deal with the fan because you guys can't hack this like the Depot. 20 volt variable speed reciprocating saw. So this deals expire 11/30. So these are just for the Black Fridays. We got the next Black Friday deals. This is gonna be the top tier. This is gonna be a killer deal for you guys. Because you're gonna get a tool for free. Well, not just one tool, you're gonna get 2 tools for free. Yes, you heard me right. 2 tools for free with this deal. All right, let's go ahead and start. The other one does end November 30th, just FYI. This one does end January 2020 or 2025. So just FYI, that's when these deals end. This one's pretty much gonna, and obviously you want to shop early because the best tools will sell out. Then there's some really good ones in here. All right, so let's go ahead and start. This is Dewalt, and I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section or the left hand corner of the screen. You guys will see it right there pop up. You got the V2 pack lithium ion battery and charger. This is a 5 amp hour battery starter kit, charger in a bag. It is $2.99. You are able to choose your gifts as you click around right here. All right, so automatically it's going to choose the top 2. But you can mess around and click whatever you want. So obviously, first one is going to be the 1/4 inch impact driver, valued at $199. This is the heat gun. Yes, the heat gun that everybody wants. This will sell out. That's what everybody wants, basically. It's pretty much hard to come by on a deal like this. So this is the heat gun, valued at $149. You got the 3/8 impact wrench, valued at $189. Barrel speed jigsaw, valued at $219. It's going to be one of the best deals. You got the drywall screw gun, valued at $179. Drywall cutting tool, valued at $179. Angle grinder, do not get this with this deal. You can get it with the other cheaper one if you want to get it. You get the barrel speed fixed router. You got the 6.5 brushless circular saw, valued at $199. Obviously, the router is going to be the best bang for your buck. It is $219. You got the 1/2 inch impact wrench, valued at $199. You got the 3-inch cutoff tool, max trigger switch, whatever they call it. It's still a cutoff tool. It is a 3-inch small disc, steel, great for smaller and detailed cuts. This is $179. You got the 20-volt max variable speed brushless reciprocating saw. This is valued at $199, and these deals do expire right there. All right, so you're gonna be able to select. I would definitely choose the most expensive one, which is the router. Let me just unclick these because I'll just show you guys what you guys could click. The jigsaw's gonna be the most expensive one. Obviously, you're gonna choose the most expensive, or you're gonna choose the ones that you really need for the job site, for your house, whatever. So you add both of them to the cart, and then here you're gonna get the pricing totals. So obviously this is gonna be $299 for that starter kit, and this is gonna be, these two items are gonna be for free. In this case, we did choose the jigsaw and the router. No, like I said, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. That does help out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the like and the bell, and following us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.